Let's begin with a simple idea. What if the future artificial intelligence isn't AGI, one giant brain, but millions of smaller, globally distributed minds working together? We are in the age of the monolithic AI. Huge language models, trained on everything they can find. Some say everything they can steal. Trying to be universal experts. They are extraordinary, but they are also fundamentally limited. They don't understand culture. They don't understand context. They don't understand the subjects they're asked about. And they certainly don't understand the lived experience of real people. So let's explore a different vision, a vision we call the Wizard AI Network. Many modern AI systems use something called MOE, a mixture of experts. It sounds impressive. A council of specialists inside the model. But the truth is far less magical. Inside these systems, the experts are not experts at all. They're tiny mathematical components called MLP blocks. They don't see the full problem. They don't reason. They don't understand meaning. They simply transform numbers. Technically speaking, an MLP is a multi-layer perceptron, a feed-forward artificial neural network composed of multiple layers of linear transformations, followed by non-linear activation functions. Improvements in how MLPs work is where much of the improvement of LLM transformer architectures is being found. And the router that chooses between them, it's not intelligent, it's not thoughtful, it's not even aware of what the user is asking. It's basically a traffic cop, a load balancer. So when people say these systems contain experts, they're misunderstanding what's actually happening. There is no real expertise inside these models, just different mathematical functions being swapped in and out. Now, imagine something very different. Imagine replacing those tiny mathematical blocks with actual expert systems, medical diagnostic engines, legal reasoning modules, financial risk models, logistics optimizers, scientific solvers, systems built for specific domains, systems trained on specialized knowledge, systems capable of deep reasoning. Imagine each of these systems living wherever they need to live. In hospitals, universities, government agencies, private companies, national research labs, not inside LLMs. Locally owned, locally trained, culturally grounded. And now, let me add something essential, something that changes everything. In the Wizard AI network, an expert node doesn't have to be a machine. It can be a real human being, or a group of human experts. an institution, a university. This is deliberate. It brings real human judgment into the decision-making process, the kind of judgment that comes from lived experience, cultural understanding, and professional practice. And it ensures that humans, societies, and cultures have a place in the future of AI. That matters. It matters to people who fear being replaced. It matters to industries built on human expertise. It matters to societies that want AI to enhance humanity, not erase it. Of course, human nodes will be infinitely slower, but they will be infinitely wiser, and they will be part of the network, not outside it. At the center of the Wizard AI network is the semantic router, not a traffic cop, but a true meta-intelligence. It reads your entire request. It understands what you mean. It identifies the domain. It breaks the problem into parts, and it selects the right experts, machine if they exist, or human if they don't. It coordinates their collaboration. It merges their outputs. It resolves contradiction. And it synthesizes a final answer. This is not a transformer trick. This is not a mixture of experts. This is a society of experts working together. For the first time, we have the ingredients to build such a hybrid system. Modern language models can act as routers. Expert systems already exist in every major industry. Distributed computing is mature enough to host a global network of specialized modules. And because this system operates at human timescales, latency is no longer a barrier. This is the foundation of the Wizard AI network, and ultimately the emergence of artificial collective intelligence. Intelligence that arises not from one giant model, but from the collaboration of many specialized systems alongside many human minds. Of course, this is a starting point. There is a ton of work to do. We need shared communication protocols, expert profiling, a robust semantic router, governance frameworks, and tools to manage emergent behavior. We can use existing AI to help develop these. But the vision is clear. A global network of real expert systems, both machine and human, coordinated by an intelligent semantic router. A future where humans are not replaced but included. A future where human judgment, human experience, and human wisdom remain central to the world's intelligence infrastructure. If we build this correctly, we will create something far more powerful than any monolithic AI. A collective intelligence shaped by human expertise, grounded in local knowledge, and capable of solving problems no single system could ever solve alone. Wizard AI Network is a project where many companies collaborate. It is not owned by big tech. It is not funded by big capital. It is a collective of global, local, open collaboration. If this is something that might interest you, your organization, or your nation, please drop me a line.